So this multipolar trap that we talk about, where there is some near-term incentive where if any agent does that, they win in the short term, and it creates a race for everybody to do that. We've figured out how to solve multipolar traps inside of a nation state by rule of law and monopoly of force and enforcement. So we can say, no, we're not going to cut down all the trees. We're going to have a national park. We're going to keep trees in the national park, and no logger is allowed to cut there. And what that means is a monopoly of violence will forcibly stop you if you're cutting there and take you to jail to protect the rule of law, right? And so inside of a nation state, we're able to prevent most multipolar traps, but we do not have international governance to deal with global ones. And so then we end up getting the various nation states competing with each other. And this is why there is a desire for something like global governance, is because the global oceans or the global atmosphere or the global biodiversity or global commons that we depend upon can't have a situation where each country, if they make the right choice, gets disadvantaged so that nobody makes the right choice. The reason we don't want a one world government is because how do you have something that has that much power that doesn't become corrupt? And how do you ensure that there are checks and balances on it? So we do need something like effective global governance, which does not have to be a government. It can be a decentralized process, but that still allows us to solve the multipolar traps.